Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I've headed out with really no plan at all. It's been hard for me to get out recently just because I've been busy with work stuff. So today I've just come out just really to enjoy the bush. So let's go for a walk and see what we turn up. Okay, so just as I've been walking around, I've just come across a pair of eastern yellow robins, and there's a lot of strange behaviour going on here. They're coming back and forward a lot with food in their beaks, and they're chattering a lot to each other in the treetops. So I think that there's probably a nest somewhere here that they're coming to and from. Actually, just as I'm speaking to the camera here, one has just flown into a tree, and I can actually see the nest now. It's really real camouflage, so it's difficult to see. It's right next to the walking path, which is not ideal. I don't know if this is a busy path and a lot of people walk past, but it is quite well camouflaged, so hopefully most people wouldn't see it. So what I think I can do is, there's some thick trees way back behind the nest. If I take a really wide berth, go around and come in behind those trees, I should be well concealed and be able to get some footage of the birds coming to and from the nest without disturbing them. And then what we'll do is, it looks like they're foraging off to my left here in the thickets here, so I'll probably come out and try and get some video footage of them catching insects. So I'll walk around and see if I can conceal myself and get some footage. Let's go. Okay, so I think I'm far enough away from the nest that the birds aren't going to be disturbed. So I'll just get set up and see if we can get any footage of them coming to feed the young chicks. Okay, good to go. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the parents to turn up. Alright, one of the parent birds is just about to fly into the nest. It's got a bug. It's sitting up on a perch looking down at the babies. Interestingly, when they grab something, they seem to whack it on the tree trunks. I think they must be tenderising the insects for the babies before they feed it to them. Anyway, let's just watch it come down. It's actually a bit hard to time the exact moment the parents come down to feed the chicks. If I can see them perching on a branch before they come in, then I can set the record before they enter it, but quite often I can't actually see them. It's not until they go down to the nest that I can record it, so I'm missing that slight moment that the parent feeds a chick. It's a bit tricky. Okay, I think I've got a couple of clips with the parents actually feeding the babies. It's just really hard to time because often they're hidden and they come in unnoticed straight to the nest. Obviously, if I had unlimited memory cards and batteries, I just set the camera up, press record and walk away, but that's not the case. So I've got to try and time it right to get a good shot. Anyway, I think I might head off now and see if I can get some photos of the adults as they're foraging. Alright, I'm not sure how well these photos are going to turn out. The light's really poor today, it's very overcast, which means that I have to use quite slow shutter speeds. But the forest is so thick with the trees and the litter on the ground that my tripod was just getting in the way, and it was really irritating me and slowing me down. So I'm going handheld, but the way that I'm combating the slow shutter speeds that I have to use is by using my camera strap, which is attached to the foot plate of my lens, and I'm pulling it really, really tight so it's nice and stable, and then trying to lean against a tree where I can, just for extra support. That's all I can do. We'll see. Hopefully I get something that's usable. Well, that was quite incredible. I did not know that eastern yellow robins killed and ate skinks. Apparently they do. Sorry about that footage. It was all handheld. It just happened spontaneously in front of me. I didn't realise what he was doing. I actually did see one of the robins with a skink tail in its mouth a couple seconds before that. I just assumed that it would pick the tail off the skink and leave the rest of the skink, but no, they kill the whole animal and eat it. That's amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing those robins. I certainly enjoyed finding them. It's not something that I expected to come across a nest like that. Sometimes you just have good luck when you head out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back on the channel very soon.